how can I make $30 an hour? Hey guys, my name is Rob Moore and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can make $30 to $60 an hour online sent directly to your PayPal. Let's get into it. So here's a screenshot of a friend of mine, Robin Dorsey, who's been doing this. And she posts in one of our Facebook groups, hey guys, usertesting.com site is fire. I can't even keep up with the number of tests they send me every day. So that's awesome because, taking surveys, it's, you got to spend a lot of time. You get, $1, $2 for each survey. I mean, this is $10 to $60, 20 minutes per test. And they're not the user surveys, which she's saying. But I saw this, I signed up, I want to check it out. You do have to wait 7 days before you do get the payment in the PayPal, but it's a great way to come out here and make some extra money. That she even shared a screenshot of what she's actually making. So if you look at the screenshot here, these first three were done on 3/18, 5/07, 4/33, 4/11. Or these being on the same day, within an hour's time, she made $30. I'm like, hey, let me give this a try, and let me share with you so you guys can sign up and give it a try as well. That we're going to test or log into is usertesting.com. This is my first time going into this website, so let's give it a try. I'm going to go into here to request a trial. I want to be a paid tester, learn about getting paid to test website. All right, click here to sign up. Let's see where this takes us. I want to be a paid tester. Okay. Let's click that again. To earn $60 per test, visit the website and app, complete a set of tests, speaking thoughts out loud, get paid. Let me just put in my email address. I haven't read it, but I'm going to check the box in as I did read it. Complete your application. Let's do this. Thanks for signing up. Notice how this think out loud and keep talking. Follow instruction and complete each task.
So let me go on to the next task, and I'm going to add a recipe or two to my grocery list. Add an individual item or two to my grocery list, and I'm not sure I would expect to be able to.
Okay, let's continue. Download the user testing software. I want a Mac. User testing software and download it. Continue, install. Let's rock and roll. Alright. Move it to the garbage, sure. Now where is the user testing app? Applications. Let's user testing. Launch that up. So it's running somewhere over here. Where is it running? Oh, it's down here in my open the installation file you downloaded. Follow instruction, return to the window to continue. Okay, so now let's start my test. Click the button here. Open user testing. Checking computer for mic testing. Good deal. Over here is a start recording 1, 2. Now that is recorded. Imagine yourself in a scenario. You work in a couple activities that are similar to the types of tasks and action. Okay, all right, yeah. If you're not really. Okay, so it wants me to think out loud. Okay, so what am I thinking out loud? This is nice. Celebrate with us. Use the website to find a map with a layout of the museum in DC. Describe your experience as you look for it. Start. Okay, let's look for the map. Visit. If I'm looking for the map. Okay, there's the museum. Hey, it looks kind of cool. That's a nice picture. Okay, I found the map of the. On what holiday is the Air and Space Museum closed? Okay, if I go to visit museum in DC, let's start here. Things to do, directions. Well, there's your map, floor plan and guide. I found it when I wasn't looking for it. Isn't that interesting? Okay, let's go back. Reservations, families, educator, events. Okay, I just passed it. It is here. Hours and admissions, regular hours from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. But I don't see the holiday schedule. So where was the extended rates and the extended hours? I'm looking too hard. It's right there. Open every day except Christmas, which is December 25th. All right, next. Final thoughts. Please provide any additional comments, questions, or suggestions you have before you stop recording and continue with the follow-up. Additional comments. Let me go through it a little bit more. Food in store. Things to do. Has an IMAX theater, planetarium. Dang it, I don't have any follow-up questions, so I'm just going to stop the recording. So as you answer the questions, these questions and appear to be uploaded back to the site. So let's see what happens after this is fully uploaded. So session upload successful, and then I get an email saying a sample video is in process of being reviewed. You should expect to hear from us soon. So now that setup is complete, what I'll do now is wait for a user testing website to send me a confirmation so I can start my testing to see if I can make that $30 an hour or more. Stay tuned, and when I get an update from usertesting.com, I will circle back and let you know how I'm making out. If you got some value from this video, please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification so you get notified when I upload these videos. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.